for her, you know, in her daily life, probably the bigger events are in her daily life, but I think it's all intensified by this larger miracle of the slowing down of the Earth's rotation. You know, it isn't directly based on my own experience. You know, I invented the events that happened to her, but it is. I did draw a lot on my own memory of being that age. I feel that my memories of that time are very vivid, and I really remember what it was like when it just felt like sort of the rules are changing so fast at that age, and I think that is something of a universal experience where you're suddenly it feels, at least in my experience, it feels so important to fit in a way that maybe earlier and later that's not so crucial, but so in that sense it's based on that. It was important to me to have the two Julias, I mean, two perspectives. The adult Julia looking back, but then covering with such sort of close accuracy what it's like to be 11. So those two things were important. And in terms of Julia's character, my focus and my goal was just to make her seem as real and individual as possible. It's very interesting to me to think about whether she could represent this young generation now. I think it's hard for as a writer to imagine that, although it's sort of a question for the readers. But I do think that this moment in time there's a lot of kind of global uncertainty, maybe particularly in an ecological sense, and I do wonder sometimes what it's like for how that is affecting generations younger than me who are Julia's age, and how, you know, I think it's possible that it could make them sort of grow up faster than I did, maybe, or someone older than me. The book is about loneliness and aloneness. That's definitely a big piece of it, and I think that age for Julia and for a lot of young people, I think it's a time when you are facing these sort of it feels like big questions, you know, big questions of identity at that age, and that is something that only you do have to do alone. And I think in the same way, all the characters in the book are reacting to this huge global crisis in their own way, and you know, you have a lot of different reactions, from the real timers to the clock timers to people who are panicking, people who are in denial. So I do think that's part of it, and I think as I wrote, I had this feeling that I wanted to capture, sort of, or wanted the book to sort of just be suffused with, which is there's a sense of kind of cosmic loneliness. You know, this tiny Earth that we live on is you know, alone in the universe, or it feels, as far as we know, we're alone in the universe. So I think that I liked the feeling of those two different kinds of lonelinesses sort of interacting, and then I think both of those elements, I think that both of those kinds of loneliness also they explain why the human connection in the book and in life is so significant, because we so often face things alone that when there are moments of human connection, it just is very meaningful, and I wanted that to be a big part of the book.